Imagine instantly stepping into a haven of peace the moment you walk through your door. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share some incredible diffuser blend recipes that will help you do just that. Did you know that one tiny, almost invisible mistake could be silently sabotaging your calming efforts and literally evaporating your precious essential oils without you even noticing? You might be diffusing right now and unknowingly making this costly error. Stick around, because in the next minute, I'm going to reveal this crucial blender and, even better, give you the must-try diffuser recipe for instant calm that actually work like magic. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jennifer Snell, and today we're diving deep into the powerful world of diffusing essential oils for ultimate relaxation and well-being. Now, while a beautifully scented home is a wonderful bonus, diffusing is so much more than just making things smell nice. We're talking about strategically using these natural wonders to literally melt away stress, ease those nagging anxieties, and cultivate a truly calming environment for yourself and loved ones. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your essential oils and experience true calm, you've landed in the perfect spot. Okay, let's cut to the chase and reveal that sneaky mistake I promised you. Are you ready to finally know what it is? It's this: constantly running your diffuser for hours and hours on end. Now, you might be thinking, but the longer it runs, the more calm I'll feel, right? But here's the new thing you absolutely need to know. Our amazing sense of smell adapts incredibly fast. After just 30 to 60 minutes of constant exposure to the same aroma, our olfactory receptors can become fatigued, meaning you're no longer getting the same powerful therapeutic benefits, and you're essentially just burning through your precious oils. The real secret: intermittent diffusing. Think 30 minutes on, followed by 30 minutes off. This smart approach not only helps your oils last significantly longer, but also keeps your nose sensitive and truly maximizes those incredible calming effects. All right, now that you're armed with the golden rule of diffusing, let's get to the fun part: the blends. Our first recipe is what I affectionately call the instant stress buster. This is your absolutely go-to blend when you feel that wave of overwhelm crashing down and you need to dial down the tension fast. For this quick mental reset, you'll need 2 drops of lavender, the undisputed champion of relaxation, 2 drops of frankincense, incredibly grounding and promotes a deep sense of calm. 1 drop of wild orange adds a touch of bright, uplifting happiness to the mix. Trust me, this combination is like a mini vacation for your mind in a bottle. The lavender gently soothes your worries, frankincense helps you feel centered and grounded, and the sweet smell of wild orange adds a little ray of sunshine to chase away the blues. Try diffusing this one after a particularly long or stressful day. You'll seriously thank me. Now, before we dive into our next incredibly calming concoction, let's take a quick detour and talk about the unsung hero of our aromatherapy journey: your diffuser itself. Did you know that the type of diffuser you choose can actually have a significant impact on how effectively you experience the benefits of your oils? Here's another new thing to seriously consider. Ultrasonic diffusers, which are likely the most common type you'll find, use water and vibrations to create a fine, fragrant mist. They're fantastic for general aromatherapy and adding a little humidity to the air. But if you're looking for a more potent therapeutic effect, especially for addressing specific concerns like sleep or anxiety, you might want to explore nebulizing diffusers. These powerful devices diffuse the essential oils directly into the air without any water, resulting in a much more concentrated and intense aroma. So take a moment to consider your specific needs when selecting the right diffuser for you. Ready to transform your bedroom into the ultimate nighttime haven? Our next blend is specifically designed to help you gently drift off into a deep and truly restorative sleep. I call it Peaceful Sleep Sanctuary. For this dreamy blend that will have you counting sheep in no time, you'll need 3 drops of lavender, still our reigning champion of relaxation and sleep, 2 drops of Roman chamomile, widely known for its incredibly calming and sleep-inducing properties. 1 drop of cedarwood provides a wonderfully grounding and comforting aroma that promotes tranquility. This blend is like a gentle lullaby in a diffuser. The lavender and chamomile work in perfect harmony to ease your mind and quiet those racing thoughts, while the cedarwood creates a sense of security and a deep peace. Diffuse this blend for about 30 minutes before you hop into bed for optimal results, and prepare for a truly restful night. Okay, time for a quick but incredible, crucial tip that can make a huge difference in your diffusing experience. You're diligently diffusing these amazing blends, you're timing your sessions like a pro, but are you doing this simple yet vital step? Here's a new thing that many essential enthusiasts often overlook. Regularly cleaning your diffuser is absolutely essential. Over time, oil residues can build up inside your diffuser, not only affecting the delicate scent of your subsequent blends, but also potentially clogging and even damaging your precious device. Make it a habit to clean your diffuser at least once a week using some mild soap and water, or strictly follow the cleaning instructions provided by your diffuser's manufacturer. A clean diffuser guarantees pure, effective aromas every single time you use it. Feeling that afternoon slump creeping in and need a little mental boost without the jitters that come with caffeine? This next blend is absolutely perfect for sharpening your focus and revitalizing your mind. I call it the Midday Mental Clarity Blend. For this invigorating blend that will help you power through your day with clarity, you'll need 2 drops of rosemary, well known for its incredible ability to improve focus, concentration, and even memory. 2 drops of lemon, wonderfully uplifting, energizing, and adds a zesty brightness. 1 drop of peppermint provides a refreshing, clarifying, and slightly stimulating aroma. This blend is like a breath of fresh air for your brain. The rosemary helps to sharpen your mental edge, the lemon instantly brightens your mood and provides energy, and the peppermint offers a refreshing kick that will help you stay alert and focused. Diffuse this blend whenever you need to concentrate on a task or just need a little afternoon pick-me-up. Here's another quick pro tip that can make a surprising difference in your diffusion experience. We've talked about the importance of the diffuser itself and keeping it clean, but what about the seemingly simple thing you put inside it? Here's a new thing you might not have considered. The quality of your water can actually impact your lifespan of your diffuser. Ideally, you should aim to use distilled or purified water in your ultrasonic diffuser. Tap water can often contain minerals and impurities that can build up inside your diffuser over time, potentially affecting its performance and even the purity of the aroma. So for the best and most consistent results, and to help your diffuser last longer, opt for cleaner water whenever possible. So there you have it. 3 incredible essential oil diffuser blends to bring instant calm into your life, along with some essential tips to help you become a true diffusing pro. Which of these must-try recipes are you most excited to try first? I'd absolutely love to hear in the comments below. And speaking of even more amazing recipes to elevate your well-being, I've created a special free downloadable guide packed with even more of my favorite essential oil diffuser blends for all sorts of moods and occasions. You can find the direct link to download your copy in the description box below. It's your ultimate resource for creating a beautifully scented and truly calming home sanctuary. If you found these tips and recipes helpful and you're ready to dive deeper into the world of essential oils and natural wellness, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find this content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Ready to explore even more incredible ways to enhance your well-being with essential oils? Then you absolutely need to check out the next video right here. It's filled with even more valuable secrets and tips. Thanks so much for watching. Stay calm, keep blending, and I'll see you in the next video.